longest chain. Alright? So it's like what? If you find this chain is 6 carbons, but pretend I went like this, there's only 3. So it's not the parent hydrocarbon, you have to find the long one. The second one, you have to number the atoms in the main chain. So number them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But you can number starting here. Or you can number starting here. Either way, you should start numbering from, just number starting from here because that's the first substitute is closer to this carbon. The first branch. Understand?
Understood.
Okay. So third one, identify and number the substituents. Put them in alphabetical order when you're naming them. So this has a methyl group, CH3. This also has a methyl group, CH3. And yes, we'll see later. And 4. Write the name as a single word. So when you're finally naming the hydrocarbon, you have to do 4,4-dimethyl hexane in this case. You guys understand why? No. 2, 3. 2, 3, 2, 3. Because in this case, the first methyl is in 2. The second methyl is in 3. So there's 2, 3. But there's 2 methyl groups. That's why you put a prefix of di. Di means 2. So that's why you have 2, 3 dimethyl hexane, which is the longest chain. 6 carbons, which is equal to hexane. You guys know the rules for hexane, pentane, and all that? You use those rules when you're naming. And let's have some special substituent groups that you guys should memorize. Maybe. This one is called isopropyl. Isopropyl looks like this. This is the substituent group. So as you can see in this example, it has isopropyl group. So when you're naming this group, you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 main carbons. So heptane. And this would be 2 here. How many carbons is it? 2? You guys all see? 2 carbons, right? So 2 carbons would be an ethyl group. You guys need to just memorize this. There's no other way around it. It's 2 ethyl, 4 isopropyl, 2 methyl heptane. So you guys might be wondering why is it 2, 4, 2? That's because we have to put it in alphabetical order. Ethyl is E, isopropyl is I, and methyl is N. So you have to put 2, 4, 2 heptane. Understand? Now let's go to the last example. For the last one, can you all see this? The last one? Then stand up. It has 8 carbons in the main chain. And since the first substituent is near this side, we can start numbering from this carbon. Understand? And number 2 has a substituent CH2CH3, which is ethyl group. This one has, at 4, it has CH3, which are both methyl. This one also has a CH3 substituent group at number 6 carbon. So when you're naming this, you start with the ethyl, because the E is higher in the alphabetical order. So you would do 2 ethyl, 4, 4, 6, 4, 4, 6. Trimethyl, because there are 3 methyl groups, 1, 2, 3. And the main chain, octane. Any questions? No? You guys all understand?
Okay, let's give David a big hand. Oh, David, you have to ask them one question and ask them to solve or answer one exercise. Yeah.
Oh God. Bros, we have book.
Alright, so you guys name this in your notebook. What's the name of this?